Hey guys, and welcome to this unboxing video of my brand new Xiegu X6100 radio. I haven't opened this, I've kept it for over a week so that I could video open it. So first of all, as you can see, we have a 2-pin to 3-pin adapter, and I'm sure we'll see why we need that very shortly, but we'll put it to the side for now. The box itself is good quality, feels heavy, feels like there's quality inside it. It's not rattly or anything like that. Everything is very well packed inside it. X6100 transceiver, HF 50 megahertz, all mode. So as you can see, on this side, interestingly, we have Apex CE specialist limits in Unit 3D North, Point House, North Point Business Park, New Mallow Road in Cork. I'm not sure what these guys have to do with Xiegu or how they're involved or stuck on the side of the box, but maybe let me know in the comments, guys, if you know. That would be great. Okay, so as I said, the seal isn't even broken, so we're going to take the knife to this and break the seal. There you go, seal is broken. Time to open it up and see what we have inside. Can't wait to get in here and see what we have. All right, here we go. Yeah, as I said, it's well packed. There's no rattling going on when you shake the box, so it's very well packed for transport. So we have this leaflet here. Not sure what this is. I don't read the language. Oh, at the bottom it says warranty card, so it must be the warranty card. Very good. We have our operating manual. Yeah, I'm not a great person for looking at manuals for the sake of looking at them. I generally dip in and experiment myself with something new and then go to the manual when I get stuck. I'd like to hear what you guys think, but that's what I'm like anyway. Yeah, this is some sort of a quality assurance sticker, I'd say. Right, so what's in this first bag? This is the microphone. Very good, yeah. It feels good enough quality in the hand. A little bit light, but not too bad. And it has an RJ45 socket on it. You also have this power connector here. Just make sure, guys, if you ever get power connectors like this, that you check the polarity, which cable is plus and minus, because different manufacturers make it different, you know. Here we have, this is the microphone cable. It's a Bungie one with RJ45s on either end. And then this other bag is our power supply. Very nice, yeah. Oh, this is why we need the adapter, because the power supply comes with the European 2-pin adapter. Yeah, so what we'll do is, I'll tell you what, we'll stick this together now just to keep them together so one part doesn't go missing. It's a good tight fit, but once you give it a good push, it clicks in there nicely, and I don't think that will come apart. You could probably leave that stuck together for good. One more cable in here. Yeah, nothing else. What is it? It's a USB-C to standard USB. So obviously for connecting the radio to a computer. Oh, right to the good stuff now. The last thing, the radio itself. Out of the bag it comes, and it is nice. I really do like this matte black finish. The radio feels heavy, feels solid, feels quality. It doesn't feel in any way cheap or poorly made. As you can see on this side, you have your microphone port, you have an SD card, a few other ports there as well. And for your keyer, that's the back of the radio, just so you can see it there. Fairly plain, but that's fair enough. You also have these little stands that flick out. Very handy if you're operating portable on the table in the garden or wherever you might be, even in the car. And on the other side, you have your BNC antenna port and your DC power as well. This is the top of the radio. As you can see, you actually have a PTT button here, and that is because you can hold this radio sort of in walkie-talkie mode, and there's a little hole to the left of the main dial, bottom left of the main dial, and that's actually a microphone. Yeah, very happy with this radio. It feels great, and I can't wait to use it.